Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Paris Rhône brand. Their 12-cup drip coffee machine with glass carafe, keep warm function, 24-hour programmable timer, brew strength, touch control, anti-drip system, a self-cleaning function, and reusable filter. I'm going to show all of these functions on how to use this. This filter is totally reusable, which is nice. You don't have to worry about spending money on filters. It has a really large, the largest I've ever seen on a coffee pot holder for those grounds. And what that means is going to concentrate the water really quickly into those grounds. And it includes a 1 tablespoon scoop and a nicely written instruction booklet with nice detailed pictures to let you know how to use this. This is a very beautiful looking unit, and here is the glass holder that's in there. And the reason it's glass is because it does need to be insulated, because this has a keep heat function on here. You can even have it do it up to 4 hours. And it has a drip function mechanism so that you can take coffee without it dripping. And that's another nice feature. But it's just a beautiful looking unit. I have the time set. I'm going to show you how to do that. It has a really nice indicator for the water on there. I'm going to show that also. So it has this also intelligent protection. It powers the unit off when the water is empty. So if you forget and you leave the water in there, it's not going to have any issue. It has automatic cleaning, as I mentioned. We're going to show you about that, to automatically descale this. I've never seen that before on a coffee pot. And again, the reusable filter. Now it's a large capacity, 12 cup. There is a 1 to 4 cup setting that we're going to try. Allows you to do 1 to 4 cups. And you have a brew strength selector where you can customize your brew strength to suit your taste with a touch of a button. And again, the keep warm plate function, there's 3 temperature settings, and around 167, 172, or 178 degrees Fahrenheit for up to 4 hours. That's pretty neat. You can also wake up to fresh coffee because it's a 24-hour programmable timer. We're going to show how to use that also. Now on the bottom of this coffee maker, there's something really important that you need to see. You can see that ETL rating right there. That's the same as UL. It's a United States company, ETL. It's been around longer than UL, started by Thomas Edison. So that Interact number right there means that this product is totally safe to use in your kitchen. And that means the materials, the plastic, the metal, and the wiring. So this top plastic piece that I talked about how large it was, it only goes in one way, which is nice. And then you have the filter, which can only fit one way also. It has a nice little pull handle under so you don't burn yourself. And then here's where the water jets out, and here's where you add the water, and then you just close this. Don't block these vents because they're used for venting the hot extra moisture. So to set the clock in the standby mode, you hit this HR button right there to start blinking. Then you can advance the time, go through AM or PM. Then you can also change the minutes right there when you get to the time you want. Let's see, right now the time is 4:50, just like that. Then you just wait, it'll stop blinking, and now the time is set. Now there's a keep warm function, and you have a choice of low, medium, or high. So that'll be the temperature that it goes to after it brews. So to get access to the keep warm time, how long this will stay warm after it brews, hold down the carafe temperature, and you see you got a time right there. Now it's going to default to 30, and you can increase that to 1 hour and 30, 2 hours and 30, or you can even change the minutes. And all the way up to 4, it will stay warm. And that way you can brew a big cup of coffee, big pot of coffee, and it'll stay warm, temperature controlled, for 4 hours or whatever time you selected. Now if you want to wake up to having coffee, called reservation brewing, in the standby status, you tap the program button. See the program button right there, and then you tap the hour button, and now you could have this come on. If you wanted to come on at 6 in the morning, it will come on. It'll stop blinking, and then you know that it is programmed for 6 o'clock in the morning to come on and make coffee. Now we're going to brew some coffee. So I'm going to try the 1 to 4, and I have a measurement of 4 on here. I'll pour it in the reservoir right here. And what I really like is, because this is a large coffee pot, it's so easy to get the water in there. The reservoir is so large that you don't have to worry about doing that. Now there are overflow lines right there. Keep the water below that. If you do exceed it, it will go over the edge on purpose so that you don't overfill the water. Here I've added my coffee grounds, so I'm ready to brew. And it's really easy to brew. You just hit the brew button right there, and you see I had it preset to high, so it's going to keep, and now it's brewing, and the water is going down into the coffee grounds into the carafe. Now you do want to hit the 1 to 4 brew right there so that it controls the proper strength for less coffee. And now it's finishing, and it was pretty fast, only a couple minutes. And it gave a 3 beep to let me know that it is finished. And there's my coffee already. Piping hot. Now what's nice is I had that timer set so that it's going to maintain that delicious hot coffee for 4 hours. So really nice. Now one of the other features that this unit has, which is unique, is it has a cleaning feature, and what you're going to do is you're going to put a full amount of water in there to the maximum. We're going to insert that water in there, and I'm going to show you what to do next. And you hit clean, then you hit brew, and you'll see the clean symbol right there. And it's going to go through a process where it comes on for a minute, shuts off for 2 minutes, and repeats that till it finishes the whole amount of water in the carafe right there. At any time you want to cancel this out, you can hit the brew button to cancel it. One of the beautiful features this has is it has this LED lit, so you can see exactly the levels of water that you have making coffee. It's really nice and wide, and it's very easy to see. On most coffee pots you can't even see that. So now it's in the clean function still, and it turned itself off, and it's going to turn itself back on, and it's going to go through that cycle till it completes all those 12 servings. So it just beeped and it shut itself off, and the whole amount of water just went through there, so it's finished with the clean mode. So after testing the Paris Rhône brand, their 12-cup drip coffee machine with the glass carafe, what do I think about this product? I really like it. This is a beautiful looking machine. It's E-tail rated, so it's safe, and it brews really fast coffee. Very easy to fill up the water because it's a really large reservoir. Has a lot of functionality, auto clean, timer, waking up with fresh coffee, all the temperature controls for how hot it'll be and how long it'll stay in that carafe piping hot. Really nice product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you alert to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.